Okay guys, welcome back. We're about to have a Subway. It is so freaking hot outside. It's in the high 80s. It is hot. It's just humid. And I'm doing work upstairs. I'm sweating. Like the air's on 72. What the heck? Can you see my sandwich if I move it up? It's a nice cold sandwich for dinner. All I've had today so far is a peanut butter and jelly sandwich with some Doritos. Do not eat this wrapper. Are you joking? That really says that on there. So yeah, we're at Subway. What the heck? Where's my tomatoes? Oh, it's on there. It's so hot out. We have central air. It just doesn't quite get cool enough up here for me. At night we put the air on 70, and Jackson's room will still read like 78. So will mine. I can't put a wall unit or window unit up here because my desk is in front of the window. It's mainly my room that gets hot. So I don't know if it's from the sun beating down into the into the bathroom and like holding heat in the closet, because like the bathroom and closet gets sun all day, it goes up and over, so it shines on that back area like all day. Where my room, the first half of the day, the sun's on the other side, so it shines on my room in the evening time, but the bathroom and closet get it all day. I'm just working on housework. Goal setting, taking notes, writing down recipes. I'm not having any chips or anything because this is plenty today. Like dripping out everywhere. Oh my gosh, there's so much mayonnaise. So I have ham and cheese on the regular Italian, white lettuce, tomato, green pepper, pickle. Did they not put onion on it? Yeah, they did. Light onion, and then salt, pepper, oil, and mayonnaise. That is my go-to. Oh my gosh. All the time. And I've had many of you tell me that you've gotten it this way and that you agree that it's amazing. It's the best sandwich. I never try anything different because this is just so good. I think Adri's talking to the other kids. Oh my god. See, I usually use my chips to get some of the excess mayonnaise. Adri already ate. Allie and Jax didn't want to yet. So they're outside playing with the neighbor kids. I've got water in their pool. This is so messy. They gave me a whole stack of napkins and I thought I grabbed some. But I guess not, because I don't have any. It's been the weirdest summer. Super hot, then cold for weeks. Then hot, then cold, hot, then cold. This ridiculous tan line from my bandeau top. It's okay. So earlier on Snapchat, Katie Johnson snapped, I saw today, might have been from last night, I don't know. So isn't it crazy, like the price of groceries, it's almost like eating out is cheaper. When she was in line for groceries to make spaghetti. Like she's checking out just the items to make spaghetti. I remember when Subway did the $5 footlongs. Do you remember that? I don't even know how much they are right now. I know around here, if you get like from a pizza place, if you order like a hot sub, it's like $10. A lot of times it's not even a footlong. So I want to make show too without it dripping all over the place. As soon as I say it, a chunk of tomato falls out. At least it didn't land on anything. We picked a bunch of, well, not a bunch, but like a handful of strawberries yesterday. They were super red. They're pretty big. I have a few tomatoes that are turning orange. I think there's 3. My stepdad stepped over today and brought us some fresh green beans and a cucumber and some tomatoes from his garden. Sorry, I'm watching my neighbor. He's trying to get, I think it's a subwoofer box in his trunk. He's been trying to get in there for a while. But when I first noticed it, his car was like moving. Like, what the heck? His car is rolling. Like, it's gonna roll into his wife's dad's truck that's in front of it. So I'm like, Jay, come look. He's like, I don't know why the car's moving. He's like, maybe it's not in park, maybe it's in neutral. He's like, because the car shouldn't be moving. Like, it was steadily moving. Like, oh my gosh, it's gonna hit the truck. He's been fighting with it for a while. Well, his car isn't rolling forward anymore. I mean, it's kind of moving from the right, but it, like before, it was rolling forward. Like, when he would push hard, it would like roll forward like an inch or so. I don't know, maybe it was in neutral and he didn't know. Maybe he put it in park. The other day, a friend of mine, well, I haven't seen him since high school, I don't think, got killed in a motorcycle accident. Like, a lady, I guess in the police report, she was even said that she was on her phone, which in Ohio, it's illegal to be on your phone when you're driving. She said that she was on her phone, and she didn't, like, stop at the stop sign fully or something. And she hit him. From my understanding, he had just got a new motorcycle too. He was pronounced dead on the scene. It's like, oh my god. He was always like so smiley. He was always smiling. Even like on Facebook, all the pictures of him. Whenever I said he's just like always happy, smiling. Oh my gosh, he's like kicking this box, trying to get it in his trunk. Excuse me. I've had a few friends from high school pass away from heart attacks. It's like, I'm 44. We're only in our mid-40s, and like so many, like a handful. A couple have taken their own life. It's crazy. Sorry, I'm just really distracted by how long he's been working to try and get this in his car. And he's determined. He does not give it up. a tree branch in the way, so I can't see if it's even close. Hear that? He's banging on the speaker box. Alright. I can't eat the rest. It's like mainly just ham right here. Like when people get double meat, like that grosses me out. Or if somebody puts 2 slices of bologna on their sandwich, I'm like, that's too much meat. Or if I get like a chicken sandwich from somewhere, like a chicken patty or like a grilled chicken breast or whatever, you know. There's like a thick part of chicken, I'm like, I don't eat that part. Like right here, there's like a red spot on the ham. Nope, I'm done. I don't care if I hadn't eaten in 2 days. If there's like a blood spot on chicken or ham or anything, that instantly just turns my stomach. Like on chicken, like when I buy chicken breasts and I cut off anything that's dark, anything that's like has a stringy piece, anything that has the slightest hint of red, I cut it all off. I'm weird about my food. You guys know that. You should by now if you've been with my channel. I'm weird about food. Cannot eat ground turkey, ground chicken. Can't do it. It just doesn't look normal. The texture's not right, and it just, when I bite it, like my stomach, like I literally gag just because of, it's all in my head. I know it's all in my head because I love turkey lunch meat. I love hot turkey, like cooking a whole turkey and slicing it. I love chicken. And I even like canned chicken, like the chunks of chicken in a can that you use for like shredded chicken. But I can't do ground turkey and ground chicken. I just recently bought some chicken apple sausage links. So many people talk about them on YouTube, and just I'm like, I've got to try them. They look good, they sound good, like when they bite into them, like the skin's crispy, but maybe I'll do what Felicia does and just like slice it into like coins and then cook it up that way. I think it's already fully cooked, you just heat it up, but the full length, like bratwurst, I think I've tried it once in my life and just, no. Beef, all different ways. Chicken, white meat only, and not ground. Yeah, it's pretty much it. I like ham. Like the only time I eat lunch, like I don't buy lunch meat ham for me. I buy lunch meat turkey, but if I get Subway, I get ham. Like the only time I eat cold ham is ham and cheese from Subway. I like ham at Easter and like the warm ham steaks, like stuff that's warm, or like sliced ham, but not cold ham. Roast beef, I don't really care for roast beef. Like from Arby's, I can do Arby's every once in a while. My kids love Arby's. Jay loves Arby's. I don't. Like cold roast beef, like to go buy roast beef at the store. I don't know. I'm so weird. Are you like that? If you're like that, tell me. Like, comment down below. But I'm gonna go throw this away, see if the little ones are ready to eat yet. Peek out the window and see if he's close. Like, he's got to be ahead. I've been filming this video for 20 minutes, and he was doing it long before I came upstairs. So he has to have been trying to get this in there for at least 30 minutes. Oh my god, I kind of want to go help him. Like, do you want help? Let's just karate kick it and get it in there. But, alright. I'm going to go on about my daily duties. Oh my gosh, I just sat weird. Now my leg's asleep. You guys, I've been having restless legs. Like, it went away for the longest time after my veins were taken out. But, like, the past week, I have not slept worth a crap. It's just been hot. I've been getting restless legs. I can't get comfortable. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna go deposit of some trash and see if the little ones want to eat yet. I mean, Jay's downstairs with them. He already ate. Adri already ate. They're just outside playing. It's only 6:06, so it's not like it's super late and they like need to eat right now. But Alright. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for having lunch with me. Sorry I'm like so distracted. Do you do that? Like you're just people watch? Whether it's at a store or just sitting in your car eating somewhere or just watching out your window. I like to people watch. Alright. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.